Hi Danielle, this is a super huge file. It was 35 megabytes. You can see that's really not ideal. You want to get it under 10 megabytes. All right, leave behind swatch flip book. Okay, I like that idea. It'll be fun. It definitely reminds people of your work. So, time taken 3 hours. I don't know if that's important information. Pen and gradient tool. You're dealing with people who would get this done in an hour and a half. Very quick industry experts that know lots of tricks of the trade. So if you're telling them before they even hire you that it's going to take you twice as long to build something, I would take that off. Not a good idea. And think about making the artwork as big as possible. You can make the type pretty small and keep the information to a minimum. They don't care that you use the pen and gradient tool. They just, they probably don't even care that you used Illustrator, but Illustrator is all I would put. Okay, and then as far as type, never distort type. You hold down the shift key. If you can't get your information on at that angle, then do it, be consistent. Just do it sideways. If they want to see that, they'll turn it, right? Information. So, you also don't have to keep the work in this small scale. You can show part of it. Maybe instead of information, if people want to see the whole thing, they can flip it over and see the whole thing. But maybe you just want to take the best parts of it and kind of abstractly cover that rectangle. Do something to get their eye on it. So, for example, these illustrations, your cartoons are fantastic. Why don't you just take one and put it the entire length of that rectangle? Um, I like these hearts a lot too. Cover the entire thing with maybe half of the heart illustration. Did you do this art? If so, it's vertical, put it on there. So forth and so on. So that's really all I have to say to you. Keep the information to a minimum. Let these people fill in the blanks on their own. If they have any questions for you, they will ask. All right?